In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PU Prime. Now, the first thing you have to do here once you are on the PU Prime dashboard, you have a bunch of different things you can do. On the left first, you have the download button, which takes you directly to downloads, where you can download either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 for different platforms. You have the verification tab where you can get your account verified as well over here. And then you also have the logout button to quickly log out of your account, okay? You have the home tab where you can basically see your total assets estimate. You can basically see your withdrawals, transfers, history, the markets, and how they're doing currently. This is just kind of an overview. Here you have the accounts tab where you can filter between live and demo accounts. You can then go ahead and see the active and expired accounts, and also filter by trading platform. That could either be MT4, MT5, or both. If you want to open an account, you could click on open account, select which one you want, just follow these steps, click submit, and you'll receive your login credentials for either MT4 or MT5 onto your email, and you can go from there. If you want tutorials on how to actually connect your account to either MT4 or MT5, I have separate tutorials on that on my channel as well, so go watch those in case you're interested. Here you have the funds tab, and on the funds tab, you can basically deposit funds, you can withdraw them, you could transfer between accounts in case that's something you want to do, or you could see your transaction history to see what transactions you've been doing in the past. Here you have the copy trading, which is basically a new thing, as you can see. If you click on it, a few things is going to pop up. You can click on the Discover tab, where you can basically discover everything regarding copy trading. You could see the copier, and of course, you can open your copy account if you want to. And you also have the signal provider over here, for which you also have to open up a copy account, and then you'll be able to explore that too. Here you have the promotions tab. They have a bunch of different promotions running pretty much all the time, so in case there's something you want to do, you could just go in here and actually participate in one of these promotions. You have the coupon section here, where you can add in your coupons in case you've gotten a coupon for PU Prime. Again, you have the download section, where, as I showed earlier, you can download the platforms. You have the tools, where you can basically see your notional volume calculator. You can use this to actually calculate in case you need a notional volume. Here you also have the auto chartist. You can click on that, and then here you can see market reports. You can see trading opportunities, stuff like that. So this is just kind of a report. You can also read what that is. Here you have the profile button, where you can see your profile, get verified, you can see your security management, your stuff like that, and down here at the bottom, you can see the support, your tickets, you can contact them, or of course you can contact them just via this button over here, which is the support tab, and you can get the chat open. If you want to deposit quickly, you also have this button up top, and then on the right hand side, you have these notifications here, and you also have this button, which can change the language of your dashboard over here. So that's pretty much how to use PU Prime, a walkthrough. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.